how to fix limited connectivity issues. If you are using a switch, modem, or router on your network, make sure that they are connected properly, then switched on. Sometimes, the solution might be as simple as restarting the modem, router, then your computer. You can also try connecting the Ethernet cable to another port of the router to test. So how do you fix an Ethernet connection problem? Plug the Ethernet cable into a different port. If it's been a minute and still isn't running, try plugging the cable into another port on the router. If this works, it means your router is faulty and it might be time for you to replace it. If that still doesn't work, you can try swapping your Ethernet cable. So what is an internet? The internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. So what is local Ethernet system? A LAN enables users to connect to internet servers, websites, and other LANs that belong to the same wide area network, also known as WAN. Ethernets and Wi-Fi's are the two primary ways to enable LAN connections. In computing, a printer is a peripheral machine which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. While most output in human-readable barcodes, printers are an example of an expanded use for the printer. Electronic mail, also known as e-mail, is a computer-based application for the exchange of messages between users. A worldwide email network allows people to exchange email messages very quickly. Email is the electronic equivalent of a letter, but with advantages in the timelines and flexibility. Automatic Private IP Addressing (APIPA) is a feature of Windows-based OS, included since Windows 98 and Windows ME, that enables a dynamic host configuration protocol client to automatically assign an IP address to itself when there's no DHCP servers available to perform that function. IP conflict is a term used to denote the state of two or more devices within the same network or subnet that are trying to use the same IP address. This can cause communication designated for a specific host to get mixed up with other host as both use the same IP. One of the most common causes of poor network data transfer speed is weak Wi-Fi signal strength or signal interference. Unlike an Ethernet cable connection, wireless connections can show quite a lot of fluctuation. What is the range of RF signal? Radio frequency (RF) is the occasional rate of an alternated electric current or voltage of a magnetic, electric, or electromagnetic field or mechanical system in the frequency range from around 20 kHz to about 300 GHz. If the desired network SSID is not displayed on the screen, check the following points. Make sure that the wireless access point router is powered on. Move your machine to an area with no items which obstruct the wireless network signals, such as metal doors or walls, or closers to the wireless access point router.